What up, it's Snakeboy That Bus, so I'm hanging out with the homie Ricky Rampage on Power 92.3, number one in the streets. You already know what it is.
Power 92, number one in the streets. What up, Chicago, Northwest Indiana? You still in the mix with the young boy Ricky Rampage and my DJ, the heavy hitter DJ Ferris, and catch my boy Shondell from Raw TV Radio and the Power 92 crew.
Turn me up. Just turn me up. Mic check 1 2 1 2. Mic check 1 2. Power 92, number one in the streets. What up, Chicago, Northwest Indiana? You officially in the mix with the young boy Ricky Rampage and my DJ, the heavy hitter DJ Ferris. And make sure you follow us on our social media. You can hit us up at Power 92 Chicago on Instagram and Facebook. And if you got Snapchat, you can follow us at Power 92 Shy. Yo, these are some classic sneakers right here. This is the Space Jam 11. These came out December 13th, 2000. You feel me? Mike wore these when he filmed the movie Space Jam with the Looney Tunes, you feel me? What other way could I do the classic Hardaway jersey without the Space Jam 11s? Crispy. Yeah. Sorry, Yeezy. I love my Yeezys too. But today, we gotta go with the classics. Classics. There we go. You gotta put the tongue overneath, you feel me, the jean overneath the shoe for swag purposes. Woo! That patent leather is clean, baby. Clean, baby. All right. Yo, what's poppin'? It's the young boy Ricky Rampage, man, from Power 92.3 FM, from the east side, south side of Chicago. Man, Chicago, what the crib mean to me, it means everything. This is the place that I developed my craft. I'm an actor, comedian, musician, host, all of that in this little itty bitty body. But Chicago, it crafted me into the man I am today. From the beauty of the city to the darkness of the city, you know? The darkness made me stronger. It made me wiser. It made me sharper. It made me a soldier. It made me a warrior. That's what the crib mean to me, man. You can catch me every Saturday, 10 p.m., 2 a.m., 92.3 FM, Chicago.